If you clicked on this video, then you're probably wondering if you need a separate business bank account for your LLC. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over everything that you need to know about whether or not you can use a personal bank account for your LLC. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do for your business banking. So to just cut right to the chase, while you technically could use your personal bank account for your LLC, it is absolutely not recommended. If you have an LLC, this is a separate legal entity from you as an individual, and you'll want a separate bank account for many different reasons. The first reason is that it's just going to make it so much easier at the end of the year when you have to pay taxes, because if you have a combined personal and business bank account, you'd have to go through all of your different expenses and isolate which ones are personal and which ones are business. This is for both profits and expenses, so this can easily add up to hundreds of hours of time wasted, when instead you could just have a business bank account that is separate and you only use that account for profits and also expenses for your business. This is going to eliminate a lot of extra work that you have to do during tax season, and it's also going to make it a lot easier when you just have to look at your business's financials, because you just go straight into your business bank account and get those statements instead of having to sift through a personal and business account combined. And yeah, in the case that you do get audited by the IRS, it'll make it a lot easier for you to prove your tax documents when you can see your business expenses compared to your personal. Another reason why you don't want to use your personal bank account is because you could lose protection on your assets as an LLC. For example, if you get sued and they find out that you've been using your business account to report on personal income as well as personal expenses, you could very well lose protection over your personal assets. So if your business ever gets into financial or legal trouble, having that business bank account with all of your business purchases and expenses only will make sure that any creditors or anybody coming after you will only be able to take your LLC assets. And that's pretty much the whole point of having an LLC in the first place, because it's in the name, limited liability. And so if you're combining your personal expenses and your business expenses, that pretty much removes all of the personal liability protection. The next reason why you'd want to have a separate business account for your LLC is that it's going to make it look a lot more professional for any business vendors or any business suppliers that you work with. Some of the clients that you work with might be hesitant to accept checks from personal bank accounts, and other clients might just reject them altogether because they only accept clients that do business through business accounts. There's just an extra degree of professionalism that comes with having a business bank account. And so if you're looking to do business with other people, it'll make you look a lot more professional compared to having a personal bank account. So yeah, this is another huge reason why you'd want a business bank account. And the last thing that you need to know is that another great perk of having a business bank account is that you get access to business credit cards. These often have higher limits than personal credit cards, and they also come with better perks. For example, you have the Chase business credit cards that have 0% APR for the first 12 months. So this basically means that you're getting free money. You don't have to pay any interest on it for the first year that you have it. And when it comes to buying things for your business, like any supplies, equipment costs, or paying for your team, all of these expenses are going to be things that you're spending money anyways on your business. And so you might as well use a credit card to gain points on it that you can redeem for cash back, or you can use it for a bunch of different things depending on which credit card that you have. We have a bunch of other videos on this channel that go over specific business credit cards, and we'll also leave a link down below to our favorite business credit cards if you guys are interested. And this isn't super necessary. You don't have to absolutely have a business credit card to do business, but having access to a business credit card can give you access to immediate cash flow. And this is super helpful if you're a startup business that doesn't have access to that much capital. So to conclude, can you use a personal bank account for your LLC? Yes, you technically can, but again, it is absolutely not recommended. Now, in terms of which business bank account is the best, we highly recommend using Novo. We'll leave a link down below where you guys can check them out. Basically, they're a free business bank account that you guys can open up in just a few minutes. There's no hidden fees, there's no monthly fees or any minimum balances required. They have a simple and very easy to use mobile app on your phone. You get free transfers, free mail checks, and also free incoming wires. They also integrate with a ton of other platforms like Stripe, Shopify, Wise, Square, and QuickBooks. They're FDIC insured, so your money is safe with them in case anything happens. And yeah, those are just the basics about Novo. Again, we'll leave a link down below where you guys can check them out and learn so much more about them. And we highly recommend them for new business owners because it's free and yeah, it's very easy to use. Anyways, that's all that I have for you guys in today's video. I hope this video was helpful. And if it was, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Here on this channel, we make a lot of videos like this that help you start and grow your own business. And yeah, thank you guys so much for your time. I'll see you in the next video.